everyone. So I am at Big Sis School. Well, they're going on a field trip and I'm going with them. Yay. We're going to the Houston Health Museum. I've never been there before, and even this year is the first time that I'm not riding on the school bus. I really wanted to ride the school bus, but it's okay. So I'm looking forward to going with them, and we'll vlog once we get to the museum. So this should be fun, and I hope we'll learn something cool there. So see you there.
A 3D movie in a 4D theater, okay? The 3D part means, of course, there's going to be things popping out at you, right? The 4D part means you're going to add another sense just besides your sight, okay? So you're going to be smelling things, you're going to be feeling things, all right? The movie is called Planet U, and it is all about the little creatures, the little itty-bitty bugs that live on you and with you. You can't see them, and not all of them are bad, okay? Some of them are actually very good for your body, and some aren't, all right? Now, with this movie, some people do find it scary. That's fine. I find it a little bit scary, okay? I'm not ashamed to say it, and you shouldn't be ashamed to be scared either, okay? So there's a couple things that you can do.
It is just before first light. A male demodex is on the move. He's left for safety. His old metabolism is so efficient, they use everything they eat, producing no solid waste. Once established,
Look at the brain.
I want to touch it. I want to touch it. I want to come with the nose. It's fake.
So is it squishy?
Oh, no.
No. That's the skeleton.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, I'm sure you can touch it.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yo, 12 pairs of ribbons. No. Come on. Wow, that's it?
Yeah, that goes there. What is that? Yeah.
No, what the?
Milk's for breakfast. Hello. We're done. We're done with the first round. Onto it.
Whichever helps you answer the best question. How can I answer it to the best of my ability?
So you see, this is how you divide your food. You put the fruits and stuff in there. Just like your plate at home.
Let's do one more for.
colors, when colors contrast, that means you can see the delineation. See how the yellow, then the black, and the blue? So yellow and blue would be contrasting colors. So the effect is stronger on your peripheral, so stare at the center to get the maximum effect. So if you're looking over here, they said stare right here in the center so you can see, you'll get more of the effect than if you look over here.
Whoa, my eyes. I know. Whoa. Oh, God, it's hurt. It hurts, but it's also... Wait, actually, yeah, it's also clear.
What's the word? Let me see.
Myopia.
Where?
Look like there are brighter color of
So can you see objects far away? Okay. People who are nearsighted can see objects that are near to
Name some
them.
objects that would be hard to see if you had a nearsightedness.
So if you had that, what? Because you are nearsighted, right? You can see stuff close to you, right? But can you see stuff far away from you? Okay, so you have what?
I'll have myopia.
You have myopia. So what are some things that you can see?
I can see.
I don't see it because you're wearing white. And when you wear white, it doesn't show. Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
Each cell in your body uses oxygen to do its special job and produces, and then down into the heart. It flows.
My heart is up here.
From there, it
Oh,
comes
move.
back into the lungs through your pulmonary arteries.
Oh yeah.
The respiration cycle ends when you exhale the waste carbon dioxide. Inhale more oxygen,
It says
and the
exhale.
process begins again.
Yeah. Oh, that's my rib. I'm supposed to be a little girl like that. Intestine.
Once chewed, your food moves.
Okay. They're done at the museum. And I ended up parking in the wrong spot. I ended up paying much more money than I wanted to, but that's okay. So now they're going to go to a park and go play. So I think I'm pretty much done here. I need to just run some errands and yeah, I think I'm just gonna go run some errands now and call it a day. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.